Good morning, class. Good morning to everybody. Welcome back to the class. As we are on chapter number 10 and we are studying grammar, and the topic is adjective. The topic is adjective. Okay. We are in the process of completing the exercises. Let's complete the exercises of demonstrative adjective. Of demonstrative adjective. Okay. Before that, I would like. I'm going to ask the definition. I'm going to ask the definition of demonstrative adjective to some students. Okay. Before that, let me write down the questions here. What is the instruction given here? The instruction given here is that choose the appropriate choose the appropriate demonstrative adjective demonstrative adjective to complete the sentence to complete the sentence to complete the sentence to complete the sentence. This is the instruction given here in the exercise में हमें क्या करना है, चूज करना है appropriate, यानी कि जो suitable demonstrative adjective है उसे हमें चूज करके fill up करना है in the blanks. So let me write down the question here. Number one, here number one, it's written that dash, and the option is this oblique this bracket close boys study in our class. The second question, look here at the second question, it's that I like dash, and the option here is this color. Look at the third one, students. Where shall we hang? Where shall we hang? Where shall we hang? Dash. Option is those pictures. Look at the next question, that is question number 4. Dash option here. The option given here is that this birds sing beautifully. Number 5 option here is that oblique those was an interesting story. Look at the last question, that is question number 6. Dash oblique here, this oblique those bird is hurt. Now students, look here. Where shall I write? Let me write here. Look here. This cup is used with singular subject. With singular subject. This का प्रयोग हम singular subject Students, now you can hear me. Yes, okay, fine. Students, now Look here, everybody. Look at the board, students. Yes, this THIS and that. These two, it is used with singular subject. This two is used with singular subject. Now look here. These and those. ये हम किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? प्लूरल के साथ और ये सिंगुलर के साथ. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्लियर? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फिल अप दिस. मैं ये फिल अप नहीं करूंगा. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क फ्रॉम यू द क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू फिल अप द आंसर. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट please try to know where to use these, that, this and this. These all are demonstrative adjective. ये सारे क्या है? Demonstrative adjective के examples हैं. Now who is this? Shivangi Yadav, unmuted. Shivangi Yadav, unmute. Shivangi Yadav,
Yes,
can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Unmuted. Yes. What is demonstrative adjective? Define demonstrative adjective.
Demonstrative adjective points out to person or thing are meant.
Very good. Demonstrative adjective point out which person or things are meant. ये किसी noun से पहले आता है और उस noun को क्या कर रहा है? Point out करता है. Right? Look here. This duster is mine. मैंने क्या किया? Point out किया, demonstrate किया. This duster is mine. मीन्स क्या हुआ? दिस के ठीक बाद मैंने यहाँ पे डस्टर यूज किया. एंड व्हाट इज डस्टर? डस्टर इज अ नाउन. ये एक नाउन है. इट्स अ नाउन. सो दिस इज अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ओके फाइन. नाउ लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके फाइन. कैन यू गिव मी 4 एग्जांपल्स? Who will tell? Pratiksha, can you give me 2 examples of demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective के 2 examples.
Sir, this and this.
Yeah, it's written here. Yeah, बहुत सारा example is given here. These, those, that. All the examples are written here. Okay, fine. Now, Pratiksha, I'm unable to hear you properly. Try to take your phone, mic phone near your mouth and then speak. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Now, okay, fine. Now, who is this? Again, one more Shivangi is here. Shivangi, unmute it. Today I have seen you. Which Shivangi is this? Shivangi, unmute it. Unmute karo beta Shivangi. Yes, Shivangi, can you hear me? Shivangi, admission number, it's written here. Can you hear me? She's okay, leave it now. Ritvik Gupta, unmute it. Ritvik Gupta, unmute. Ritvik, now
Yes,
help me out with this question. इस question से help करो. मुझे help me out. Dash boys study in our class. Now, what we are
This.
going to use here?
This.
Or this. Spelling बताओ.
Sir,
Spelling.
first.
Wrong. First नहीं होगा. Wrong. It's a wrong answer. It's a wrong answer, Ritvik. Now look here, everybody. यहाँ पे ये आपका subject है. These boys. Boys is plural. So with plural we are going to use here these. These boys study in our class. Fine. Clear. Now who is this? Our Ashwani Yadav. Unmute it. Ashwani Yadav, unmute it. Now look at the board. Second, I like dash color.
I like.
आने
This
वाले
color.
noun को देखो पहले. ये noun है. It's a noun. Color is a noun here. But is it singular or plural? ये singular है कि plural है?
Sir,
It is
singular
singular.
है.
Color it is singular है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या use करेंगे? Spelling के साथ बताओ.
Sir, this T.
Spelling के साथ बताइए.
Sir, THIS.
THI. Okay. Very good. Now mute कर लो. Mute it. Now next question I am going to ask with Ayush Pratap. Ayush Pratap, unmute it. Ayush Pratap, can you hear me? Speak. Speak something. बोलिए. I'm unable to hear you. Next is Amrit Pratap.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amrit. Now help me out with the third question. Where shall we hang? अब यहाँ पे ये noun देखो. This is a noun. Is this a singular or plural? पिक्चर यहाँ पे सिंगुलर,
Sir,
it's a
those.
plural. Those, very good. It's a plural, so we will use here those. Yes. Where shall we hang those pictures? Fine. Mute it. Mute kar lo. Anushka Yadav, unmute it. Anushka Yadav, unmute it. Look at the fourth question. Help me out with the fourth question. Dash birds sings beautifully. Anushka Yadav, she's not able to. Yes, now Arya Tripathi, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now help me out with the fourth question. Dash birds sings beautifully.
These. These birds sing beautifully.
Okay, why you have used here these? आपने ये क्यों use किया? Why?
Because birds is plural and we
Yes.
always use these
Plural.
with
Fine. Very
plural.
good. Very good. Yes. Fine. Fine. Noun. This is a noun and it's plural. ये plural है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या use किया है? Plural.
These.
Plural subjects. Okay. Fine. Next. Mute it. Next. Who is this? Namya, help me out. Can you hear me, Namya? Unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Namya. Now look at question number 5. Dash was an interesting story. Now help me out. What we are going to fill up? The options here is that and those. That. Okay. Why that? आपने that क्यों use किया? Why
Because
not
the
those?
stories
No, यहाँ पे was is singular. Look here. Look here. Was singular के लिए use होता है. Was is used with singular and where किसके लिए use होता है? Plural के लिए. So here was is singular. Clear everybody? Show me your thumb. समझ में आया होगा तो please. Yes, thank you very much. So that was an interesting story. Mute it. Namya, mute karo. Mute it. Now last Anushka Yadav 9904. Unmute it. She's not able to unmute, I think. Yes, Shivangi Yadav, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, help me out with dash bird is heard.
This, THIS.
Why this? आपने those क्यों नहीं use किया? Why you have used these here?
Sir, because bird is singular.
Because yes, here the noun followed with this is the singular, so we have used here this. It is perfectly correct, and we have completed one exercise of demonstrative adjective. Please mute it. Mute everybody. Everybody mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Now, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. If you don't have doubt, show me your thumb so that we can march forward. So that we can move forward. We can do the next exercise. Clear, everybody? Everybody, show me your thumb. Yeah, I want to see your thumb. Turn on your video and I want to see your face. What about Arya Tripathi show? Please turn on your video, everybody. Vaishnavi Singh. Vaishnavi Singh, turn on your video, please. Everybody, students of my class, please turn on your video so that मैं अपना वीडियो बंद करके पढ़ाऊंगा तो आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा. Please, yes, turn on your video, everybody. Yes, thank you very much. Clear, everybody? Okay, now let us see the next exercise. That is interrogative adjective. Ready with the definition. Definition के साथ ready रहिएगा. I can ask any three students the definition with examples. Okay, students. Now look at the next question. Let's complete the exercise of interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? The first question is that what is interrogative adjective? Yeah, we are going to discuss about interrogative adjective, students. Look here. Interrogative. Interrogative adjective. Adjective. Interrogative adjective. We are going to discuss about this. Okay, before that, let me write down the question. The instruction given here is that fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable suitable interrogative adjective, which suitable interrogative adjective. Students, this is the instruction. यही हमें करना है. क्या करना है? We have to fill up the blanks with suitable interrogative adjective. Now, students, look at the questions carefully. Dash umbrella. Dash umbrella is yours. Question mark. Number 2, dash pen is this. Question mark. Number 3, dash is the color of your eyes. Question mark. Number 4, dash fruit. Dash fruit do you like to eat? Dash fruit do you like to eat? Question mark. Number 5, dash book do you like? Dash book do you like? And number 6, dash newspaper. Dash newspaper do you read? These are the questions of interrogative adjective. Students, now everybody look at the board. We are in the process of completing the exercises. So we have just now completed the exercises of demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective are the adjectives which point out which things or which person or things are meant, and the examples were these, that, those, these. Okay, these are where the examples such. These all are the examples. These all were the examples of demonstrative adjective. Okay, fine, students. Now we are on the next exercise, that is exercise of interrogative adjective. And my question is that what is interrogative adjective? Who will answer me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who will? Yes, yeah. Vaishnavi Singh, unmute it. Vaishnavi Singh, what is interrogative adjective?
An interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks in a question.
Which asks
a question.
Yes. One more. Okay, fine. Thank you very much, Shiva. Can you give me the
Thank you,
examples?
sir.
Any 2 or 3 examples
About?
of examples of interrogative adjective. Example:
Whose is this?
whose, which, yes,
What?
what,
What?
okay, fine, etc. Yes, etc. These are the examples of what? The interrogative adjectives. Interrogative,
Yes, sir.
mute it. Vaishnavi Singh, mute it. Don't ask me, बेटा मुझे मत, ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे बोलना पड़े. After answering, mute it. And if I am explaining, listen now. Interrogative adjectives are the adjectives which ask question, and it is always followed by a noun. And it is always followed by a noun. या ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं when, which, when, whose, which, what, when. All these WH questions, WH family are followed by a noun, then it will be a interrogative adjective. Okay, one more, some more students. I would like to ask the definition again. Pratyaksha Raj, please take your mic properly and answer me. Define me the definition of interrogative adjective.
An interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks questions.
Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी आवाज में आया और clear आया इस बार. Okay, can you give me 2 examples?
Which, whose, etc.
Okay, which, whose, etc. Fine, thank you. Mute it. Next, I am going to ask with Anushka Yadav. Anushka Yadav, what is an interrogative adjective?
Sir.
Interrogative adjective.
An adjective which is a question.
An interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks a question.
Asks
Give me one
question.
example. One example. Give me one example.
Which box is your?
इसमें which box is your? ये तो पूरा आपने sentence बताया. You have given me
Yes,
the
sir.
sentence. इसमें adjective क्या है?
What,
Interrogative
whose, What, whose, which.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Now let us come back to, अब तो समझ में आ गया बेटा हमें करना क्या है. Yes. Now we are in the process of completing the exercises. So let us complete the exercises. Here the options are not given. Here the options are not given. Option कोई नहीं दिया गया है. Now you have to find out a suitable adjective. वो एग्जाम्पल में से उठा लो आप. इंट्रोगेटिव, suitable interrogative adjective to fill these questions. Now let me ask you some question. Aryan Gupta, you are sleeping. I will not ask you any question. ओके स्लीप, आप अच्छे से सोते रहना. नाउ अभिमन्यु, अभिमन्यु बेटा आपके पास कपड़े नहीं है. अभिमन्यु सिंह, यू डोंट हैव यूनिफॉर्म ड्रेस, कपड़े नहीं है. मैं आपको यहाँ से रिमूव कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद आप कल क्लास ज्वाइन करना. ओके मैं आई एम रिमूविंग यू फ्रॉम हियर. आई विल नॉट कीप यू इन द क्लास. कपड़े पहन के बैठो ना, कम से कम. कपड़े भी नहीं है आपके पास. पेरेंट्स है, आई विल कॉल यू. मैं आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ इस क्लास के बाद. आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल योर पेरेंट्स जस्ट नाउ. ओके सिट प्रॉपर्ली. मैनरलेस स्टूडेंट, मैनरलेस इसको बोलते हैं लैकनेस ऑफ माइंड. ओके फाइन, दैट्स ऑल. और कुछ नहीं कहना है. अभिमान सिंह अनम्यूट. अभिमान सिंह अनम्यूट. अभिमान सिंह अनम्यूट. Sorry, he is not able to unmute. Ayush Pratap. Ayush Pandey. Ayush Pandey. Unmute. Look at the board.
Yes, sir.
Look at the questions. Dash umbrella is yours. Dash
Which?
umbrella is yours. Sorry?
Which?
Which? Very good. Very good. Which umbrella
Yes,
is
sir.
yours? बेटा यहाँ पे क्लियर हो गया कि ये which है और ये इसके आगे ठीक यहाँ पे क्या है, noun है. And if it is a noun just after which, then ये क्या हो जाता है आपका adjective. और adjective में ये कौन सा है, यहाँ question mark लगा हुआ है. So it is an interrogative adjective. Fine. Now mute it. Ayush Pandey. Now who is this? Who is this? 5D. सार्थक. सार्थक पहले नाम लिखना, सेक्शन बाद में लिखना. अनम्यूट इट. यस. टेल मी द नेक्स्ट आंसर. टेल मी द नेक्स्ट आंसर. डैश पेन इज दिस. पेन इज दिस. बेटा बताओ आंसर. डैश पेन इज दिस.
What?
Dash pen is this. Very. What happened?
Which?
Sarthak. Huh?
Which is this?
Which pen is this? Which? No. Vaishnavi Singh, unmute. Yes,
Yes,
tell me the
sir.
answer. Tell me the answer.
Sir, whose?
Dash. Whose? Very good. Whose pen is this? And whose is followed by a pen. So it's an adjective and it's an interrogative adjective because question mark is used here. यहाँ पे question mark लगा है तो ये question है. Listen, यहाँ पे question mark लगा है तो ये question है. This sentence is an interrogative sentence. ये पूरा sentence interrogative है. और which क्या है? Which से ठीक बाद में यहाँ पे noun आ रहा है. It's a noun. So whose is an interrogative adjective. Mute it. Now Arya Tripathi, unmute it.
Yes,
Unmute.
sir.
Yes. Now help me out with the next question. Dash is the color of your eyes.
Which is the color of your eyes?
No, sorry, it's not a right answer. Which नहीं होगा बेटा यहाँ पे. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ ना. What is the color of your eyes? ऑप्शन थोड़ी देंगे. Which तो ऑप्शन में आ जाता है. Which में ऑप्शन आ गया ना. Which is your color? यानी कि आपके कलर्स के आईज अलग अलग थोड़ी होते हैं. It's black and white.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the color of, yes, what is the color of your eyes? What is the color of your eyes? So students, यहाँ पे fine. Now next question. Mute it, Arya. Who is this? Next question. Next question. Shivangi Yadav,
Yes, sir.
help me out with the fourth question.
Which fruit do you like to eat?
Which fruit do you like to eat? Option, yes. Which fruit do you like to eat? Next question, question number 5. I'm going to ask this question to mute it. Mute kar lo. Yes, Amrit Pratap. Very good. Amrit, yes. Raise your hand, Amrit. Yes, tell me. Dash book do you like?
Which, sir?
Which, okay, which book do you like? Now the last question. Who will tell? Who will tell me the last question? Mute kar lo. Mute it, everybody. Mute it, everybody. Yes, who will tell me? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Wait. Let me ask. Achal. Achal, please tell me the answer. Achal कभी class में बोलती नहीं हो. Yes, Achal Rajbhar, tell me. Dash newspaper do you read?
Yes,
Achal, tell me. Which newspaper do you read? Sorry, answer बता दिया मैंने. Which newspaper do you read? Fine. Okay, students. These were the exercises. Today we have done one exercises, and tomorrow we will try to complete the whole chapter. Tomorrow we will complete the last point, that is, let us do one more. Fill up the blanks with possessive adjective, because there will be, yeah, let us complete the next one. Is it clear, beta? Ye clear ho gaya? Everybody, please raise your hand, or show me your thumb if it is clear. Ye clear hai, everybody? Okay, fine. Let us move on to the next one. That is what? Possessive adjective. Students, we will discuss about possessive adjective. So be ready with possessive adjective. Definition of possessive adjective. Students, Now it is clear. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Before filling up, इसको fill up करने से पहले सबसे पहले what we have to do? We have to go through the definition. सबसे पहले तो definition पढ़ते हैं कि what is the definition of possessive adjective and what are the examples. Now who will help me out? Who will help me out? Come on. Show me your hands. No, sir, I will answer. Yes, Arya Tripathi, come on. Tell me the definition of possessive adjective.
A possessive adjective is an adjective that show possession or belonging. It answers
good,
the
very
question
good.
whose.
Whose? It answered a question. Whose? किसका है?
Whose.
Whose? Right? Yes. Whose means
Yes.
किसका है? Possessive adjectives are the adjectives which shows possession or belonging.
Possession or
And it-
belonging.
or belonging. Yes. And it always answer to the question whose. Can you give me the example? My, our, their, it,
Your.
his, your, yes, etc. Yes,
Yes.
etc. These are the examples. Now, students who will help me out with the first question. Look at the first question. There are only Arnav. Very good, Arnav. Tell me the answer. Yes, Arnav, unmute. Arnav, tell me.
Yes,
that
sir.
house very big. यहाँ पे क्या fill करेंगे हम? Possessive adjective.
Sir, they are
Their house. Okay, very good. ये भी सही है. Their भी हम use कर सकते हैं. Their is a possessive. और हम ये भी use कर सकते हैं our. Their house
Yes,
or
sir.
our house is very big. Very good. Yes. Very big. Very good. Next, who is Suryansu? Yes, Suryansu. Unmute it,
Yes,
Suryansu.
sir.
The dog is wagging their tail. Now tell me the answer here.
There.
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 dog के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? No, no. The dog is wagging its tail. Animal है ना dog. Dog is the animal. So what we are going to use here? It. The dog is wagging its tail. अपना पूंछ हिला रहा है. Wagging का मतलब हिलाना होता है ऐसे ऐसे. Yes, the dog is shaking its tail. Yes. Clear, Suryansu? Okay, next. Next question, who will answer? Yes, very good. Ayush Pratap. Ayush. Yeah, help me out. Dash garden is not very big. Come on, answer me. Yes? Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Now, Anushka Yadav. याद रखना बेटा possessive होना चाहिए.
Yes,
Possession
sir.
show करने के लिए come. Yes. Dash garden is
Yes, sir.
not very big. Yes. What will be
Our.
the answer?
Our.
Okay, very good. आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Our garden, my garden,
Yes, sir. My
their
be.
garden. My भी हो सकता है, their भी हो सकता है. It the
Yes,
answer
sir.
में vary person to person. व्यक्ति से व्यक्ति आंसर वैरिड हो सकता है. अगर मैं अपने गार्डन के बारे में बात करूंगा तो my बोलूंगा. My garden is not big. My के बाद garden आएगा. Then garden is a noun. So अगर noun से पहले कोई word आ रहा है that is adjective. तो adjective में my कौन सा adjective है? It's an possessive adjective. Very good, Anushka. Now शिवांगी यादव. Possessive में आपको कल प्रॉब्लम थी. आपने क्या है सर एक्सप्लेन करके बताइए. लो सारा एक्सप्लेनेशन है. Shivangi Yadav, where are you? Unmute it. Vaishnavi Singh. Yes, Vaishnavi Singh, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now look. Dad's sister is very young.
My sister is very young.
My sister is very young. Your sister is very young. Yeah, his, yeah, her sister is very young. Yeah, his sister is very young. कोई भी ऑप्शन हो सकता है. Person to person answer varied हो सकता है. Do you understand? Yes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Okay, now Pratiksha unmuted. Pratiksha unmuted. Dash brother help him. प्रत्यक्षा राज, कम ऑन माइक लो, यस माइक उठाओ ऐसे और बोलो, टेल मी द आंसर। प्रत्यक्षा, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू। Shivangi Yadav, unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shivangi, tell me the answer. Dash brother help him.
My brother helped him.
Very good. ये भी हो सकता है. My brother help him. Your
Yes.
brother help him. Her brother help him. His brother help
His brother.
him.